Hey guys, do you know about RNN? RNN stands for Recurrent Neural Networks. Let's understand with a very layman term. Suppose we as a human, how we can understand each sentence. Have you ever noticed? Let's take an example. My name is Yash. So how we can interpret it? So answer is by using the previous words. What is Yash? So Yash is a name. So name which is the previous word of that sentence. Right? So whose name? The answer is my. That's how we understand or interpret entire sentence. So RNN exactly do same thing. It teaches machine how to understand entire sentence sequentially, right? So basically RNN is a neural network with a loop. So when we unroll entire RNN, it's like a chain in which we pass each word at t timestamp and along with the output of previous timestamps.